playing the shape in octaves. You already know to move the shape up and down the fretboard to play in different keys, and you know that after the 12th fret on each string, the musical alphabet starts over again. So you have the same letters here and here. This means that this note right here on the 1st fret of the thickest string is an F, and this note right here on the 13th fret of the thickest string is also an F. However, this one is 1 octave up. So an octave is when you have the same note name but in a higher or lower position. You can move the shape from, for example, this position on the 3rd fret, which is the G minor pentatonic position, to the 15th fret, and still play the G minor pentatonic, but 1 octave up. The same goes for all positions. We will talk more about octaves and where you can find them on all strings on the fretboard later, but for now, it's enough to know that this shape can be played in octaves. When you start playing higher up on the fretboard, it can be quite hard to remember exactly where all the frets are located, so one hint here is that after the 12th fret, which is usually marked with 2 dots, it starts over again. So starting from the 12th fret, the first dot, which is on the 15th fret, is the same note as the first dot on the 3rd fret right here. So you can look at the 12th fret as the open string, but 1 octave up. So these notes are all the same as these notes.